Well folks, it's time to do the on-the-air test for this absolutely immaculate and boxed Rotel RVC230, which has come up really well. Full 4-watt output and incredible receive at 0.2 microvolts with 12 decibel SINAD. So we'll see whether Mr. Mega Chippie is on Mr. Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, I'm ready.
Using your speaker and all that?
Roger it is.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio I've got a tone switch.
Roger that, so heading up the lane, just passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which is currently not in use.
Roger on that.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
The passing place and doggy daycare, which is currently not in use.
Roger on that.
Passing Ancaster service station, and the display is all wonky. They kind of look open but not.
I went by this morning, there was a car outside looking like it was a soldier filling up and looking a bit gone out because it didn't look like it was on, but it was.
Looks that, so I can't tell you prices because I don't know.
No, do you think? I think the RAF's radar system, you know, up the road, causes my camera to go funny too.
See. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Top of the hill, let's go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Hell did I say?
That's enough, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
So you got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm a
Rotel RVC230, immaculate box 1, and I'm on a standard replacement factor ready doing a full 4-watt output over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems. crossing. Over.
You've got Yango Wilson level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you a 5 mile point. I'm on the Rotel RVC230 and on the standard replacement mic, doing 4 watts, going 1.2 amps. We're going to go into low power. It's set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're on low power now, going 6 milliamps, delivering 400 milliwatts. Back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. I had to override the squelch on low power. You were very noisy but legible.
Roger on that. So I'm going to get the factory original mic out and we'll try that.
Roger that.
Okay, 21 Mr. Chippie on the factory original mic.
Yep, roger that. Slightly more trebly, I think, but it's very clear. No problems with it.
Right, we'll carry on with this one then. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Going over Rotel level crossing. Or is it a wonky petrol sign there as well, over?
Well, it is wonky, but it's the usual wonking, such that it's 136.9 and 142.7, but in reality it's 142.9 on the other side.
It's all right, thanks very much, that worked really well.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Okay. 21 from Mr. Chippie.
you got? You're going over Rawsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end, or is it a wonky petrol sign there as well, over?
Well, it is wonky, but it's the usual wonky in such that it's 136.9 and 142.7, but in reality it's 142.9 on the other side.
It's all lies. Thanks very much. That worked really well.
Yeah, I'll do that.
10-10. What a great set. Last one we saw with this performance was that York 861, which we had donated, and which is for sale on eBay at the moment. Right, we'll go over to our base station and we will see what it sounds like on both those mics.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC230 with the factory original microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power, 400 milliwatts. Here we go. There we are on 400 milliwatts and back to full power. There we are back on full power. So we'll just now compare that with the standard replacement mic. And there we are on the standard replacement mic. I'm not quite sure what we've got for you tomorrow, but I think it's something out of a box from this same batch. So thank you for watching the Rotel RVC230 immaculate box set from I can't remember the date, 1981.